What's up guys, it's Sean from Window Tint Warriors, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to tint the side windows and the back window on a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. Now on this vehicle specifically, we're only doing the back doors and the back windshield. The customer does not want the two front doors, but I am going to explain how to take the gasket out on the front doors so that you guys know how to do that if you have to do it. Let's start with the outside prep. We'll get to the panel removal. Let's do it. We have the window rolled down, like the outside. So to take the panel off, whether it be the back door or the front door, they're both the same. The only thing different about the back door is you have a screw right here under this cover. So we're gonna take these screws out first and I'll show you that one. So we have this cover behind the door handle lever and we're gonna stick the hook tool behind it and pull it out. Pops right off. One Phillips in there. We got a Phillips down here under this plastic. Pop that up. It stays there like a hinge, so don't pull it out. And then to expose the screw in the back, there's a little notch here. Use the hook tool. Drive that away and hold it at the same time because it will fall. And we'll take that screw out. And it's going to come off with the plastic pieces, keep the screw and the plastic together. And the fourth thing we have to remove is this little triangle piece here. We're going to put pressure on it from the front side, use a gasket stick on the top edge, and just twist. And that pops straight back. Once all of that is removed, we're going to grab the panel from the front bottom corner, pull in this bottle holding area right here, as well as the back or the front edge of the door. Pull straight back, lift up, and then we have the gasket here. Very flimsy, just pulls right out. Line up the bottom clips, pop those back into place, leaving the top away. Now I'll show you the front door quick, just so you have it for reference. We still have the plastic triangle, but it's on the front. That has to come off. We have the same screw in the bottom grip area here, and we have the same screw in the door handle here. We just don't have the back screw. So you just take out these two screws, that plastic triangle, and the panel comes off the exact same way. We prepped the outside, took the panel off, got the gasket out. Time for the inside prep. Now for this install, we're going to be using Kavacha CS charcoal. And we're going to be doing 20%. Make sure you take these stickers off and the glue residue left behind. And then we'll prep this little quarter window here. Just a quick pass with the razor. And then we'll wipe it down with the towel. You want to make sure you wipe the surrounding area too, because that trim can be contaminated and obviously cause contamination in the window film. Wipe the door down. Now a little tip on these Hyundai Sonatas, these side gaskets can be extremely tight. You can see here. So I'm going to take my gasket stick, wrap it in the towel, and go down the sides to open them up and clean them at the same time. Roll it down a little and do the same thing. You can see how much dirt here is on the towel from that gasket. Same thing. I'm going to mist it down a little bit, and I'm also going to take my Easy Reach, open the sides up, and just get water between the gasket and the glass, because again, it is a very tight area. Then we'll go grab our Kavacha CS charcoal. We use computer cut to cut this pattern out. I'm gonna mount it on the outside, 1 inch from the top. You always wanna overhang the largest pillar. Mount it in place across the top. Wipe the top edge with your hand, collect any dirt that is up there, and we'll do our spray, squeegee spray. Overlap the strokes, down the side that we finished on, flush the edges, across the bottom, mist the center. Now we'll peel the liner on our Kavacha. If you guys want to sign up for Ceramic Pro Kavacha window film, fill out the form with the link in the description. Make sure you mention Window Tint Warriors, and they'll get you signed up. And we're going to bottom load this. Front edge in first, keeping the back away. Get that top corner in. The back corner in. And shimmy it back and forth. If we didn't spray water between the gasket and the glass, we'd be stuck right now. So we have nice, loose film, easily placed exactly how you want it. Make sure we're not overhanging. That's good. Mount it in place. See how I'm holding it with my left thumb and squeegeeing with my right hand. We'll go down the sides with the Easy Reach. I'm stopping before I hit this right here. We want to roll the window up and then take care of that. So I'm gonna wrap the gray lid coat card with the towel and just push out that top edge with the heat gun. Seal it up really nice so that when we roll it up, it doesn't peel. Check it from the outside. Quick wipe down, heat it up, seal these corners up with the heat and chiseler. Go ahead and roll it up. Miss the bottom. This right here, we're gonna push into the side and pops into place. Yellow turbo, straight down. And then finally, second to last step, we'll go down the sides. And then the last step will be sealing the bottom edge with the bare gray lid coat card, no towel wrapped around it, and a heat gun. Little fingers pop up, shrink them, lay them down. Check it out. Perfect. I'm going to apply the dryer sheet to the back window, then I'm going to do this quarter glass window and put the panel back on while that's drying. Dryer sheet, soak it up, squeeze it out, spread it. You can see how dirty the back window is on the inside. We're going to take care of all that when we go on the inside with the prep. We'll take our little baby Cavacha, mist it up so it's not staticky. We can do a spray squeegee spray. 3.5 inch, wipe the blade. We'll flush it out. Do an air peel. Place it on the hand like so. Definitely a tricky window to not get contamination in. There's a lot of variables. Perfect. Make sure there's no light gaps from the inside. And what I like to do before I squeegee this out is I'll take the heat gun and I'll heat it up a little bit from the outside. That way, once I do that first squeegee pass, it's mounted right in place and it won't move around. So I'll go ahead with that. Now it's good, not going anywhere. Wipe the surrounding area down, make sure there's no water dripping. We'll put this panel back on. So we'll take our gasket, pull the top of the panel back, lay the gasket in place. Pop the panel off on the bottom, hang it back on the top. Once it's hanging on the top, line it up, smack it back into place. Take our screw in the bottom, pop that cover back. We'll put our screw back here, reinstall the cover for that. Just push it straight on. Put our triangle back on, line up those clips. And then we have the back screw. That's it. And the back window's ready for us. Look at that, time management. So we're gonna mount our H pattern, shrink it up. There's our felt card from windowtintsupplies.com. Welcome to my castle. Now we can do the inside prep. Take these headrests out. I gotta pull the seat release. So he's gotta pull the seats forward a little bit to get the headrests out. Nothing happened. So we'll do our spray, scrub, wipe. Use a scrubber. Remember how dirty that back window bottom was? Scrub that up really good. Pad off, scrub the rest. Get the side panels and the window, a quick wipe down. Then we'll do our spray squeegee spray. Spray, yellow turbo squeegee. Side swiper, bulldoze. And spray. Flush out the bottom, mist the whole window. We'll mist the whole window up with a film up so that it's not dry and staticky. Pull the liner, soak the whole glue set up so it's not dry. Then we do the piece of pie, yeah. Frankenstein, no creases. And the whole key here is to get that bottom edge lined up first, on center, so you're not hitting the side panels. Bottom edge is the most important. Get that lined up first. Then you can move the film up, shimmying it back and forth. If the film ever tacks, so you just give it a quick jerking motion to break that tack. Spray it up to lubricate the squeegee. Use the back of your hand to work out any of these air pockets so the film is nice and even. Then we're going to start 5 inches from the top across. Work our way to the sides. Then we'll go straight up from the center. Work to one side and the other. Side swipe around the bottom sides. We'll finish it off with the bulldozer. Then as a final pass on the inside, we'll take the yellow turbo, wrap it in a towel, and just push straight up into the top edge to remove any water that could potentially drip down into the film between the film and the glass. We'll clean the outside and then we'll be done. With a little finger here, we can just heat that from the outside, push it from the inside. As we're heating it, we'll take the bulldozer from the inside, just push that down. There we go. That is it. All right guys, that's how you tint the side windows and the back window on a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. And I explained the front doors, so you guys should know how to do that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep an eye out for more, a lot more content coming out. We got Ernesto on the camera behind you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Peace. What's up, bitch? I need more water. What is happening? It was Carlos. He's trying to sabotage you. Duh. Then on the inside, we'll do a final press with the yellow turbo wrapped with the squeegee.
I just realized what you said.